Hello and welcome to Excel 2010. What I want to do is give you a brief overview of what you need to do the first week to be successful and to get right in and participate in this course. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to log into our eClass account, Blackboard, and here we go. So I'm going to log in and just to remind you, Firefox, the latest version of Firefox is the preferred browser for Blackboard. You'll find that there's some things that won't work, including Chrome. There's some things that won't work if you use any other browser besides Firefox, the latest version or the latest release that's not beta. And if you have any problems with that, you can always download it from the login screen. Before you log into eClass here, there's a link that allows you to download eClass for free, or sorry, Firefox for free. Okay, so let's get into the course here, and there it is, Excel. And once we're in this course, you'll notice that it lands on the announcement page. Every week, you're going to see at least one announcement here. So be paying attention to this page when you log in. Any changes or anything that I need to get out to you will be here in the announcements. So the first thing that we want to do is we'll click on this little welcome link here, and that's where you've already clicked, or else you wouldn't be viewing this video. From this welcome link, that's where this video clip is, and it's where the instructions are. So I'm going to click on this, and here's the instructions for the video, but also right under that we have the online survey. Please go ahead and take a few minutes to fill this out. If you go to eClass and it does not appear here, then go ahead and click this link up here, and it will take you to the Google Docs form that will allow you to fill that out. Make sure you check all of the boxes that apply to you. Also, I'm pretty open on how to communicate with you, so go ahead and put down what your preferred form of communication is. And if you want to put that here, for instance, your name on Facebook, or put text and then the number you want me to text you at, or Twitter and your Twitter account username, go ahead and place that there. Once you're done, you'll click on Submit, and that automatically sends me an alert every time you submit this, so I'll be able to know what your preferred method of communication is. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is introduce you to our class wiki. Over here on the left, I'm going to click on Class Wiki, and this is actually a Google Doc. Anybody can get in and edit it, and it's not going to ask for your credentials when you log in. So this is kind of an anonymous wiki, and I wanted to provide a place where you felt comfortable sharing things or asking questions without anybody really knowing who you are. If you are embarrassed about a question on how to do an assignment or something, you could go ahead and come to this class wiki, and you can actually type in the question and not leave your name, and no one will know who it is, and somebody will come in and answer, whether it's myself or one of the students. We can answer it. But also, you know, we're a Christian university. If you have prayer requests, you can leave those here, and it's a place for all the students to be praying for you. And once again, if it's an anonymous prayer request, you can leave that here. And again, I won't have access to see who has been leaving anything here, but please do keep it appropriate. I will be monitoring this, and if there's anything that's inappropriate, I will remove it. So if you see something that's removed, that's probably why. Alright, I'm going to come back. All you need to do in here is just click on the document and start typing, and it will automatically update the Google Doc. So please, I'll add a prayer request. Please pray that we have a great time learning how to use Excel. Alright, there we go. So I just added something, and we're going to notice that right here it says last edit was seconds ago, and it's saved, and all changes saved. So right there, that was automatically saved. Okay, well, I'm going to come back to Blackboard, so I'm just going to click on this link here, and that's going to bring me back into the eClass course. The next thing I want to show you is, or actually the last thing I want to show you is how to do the introduction discussion. So I'll click on Mod 1, click on Intro, and we're just going to do the discussion board here. So I'll click on the discussion board, and there's a little trick to this. So what I want, if you read the instructions, it's going to explain it, but what I want you to do here is kind of look at these pictures. Which one makes you feel, or which one do you feel best fits you as you're coming into this course? So let's see, I will choose this kitten one. So all I need to do is right click on that picture, and I'm going to choose copy image. And then I'm going to come up here, click on introduction, and I'm going to create thread. I'm going to put my name in the top, so let's see, Danny Stuckey, and then I'll come down to the body of the thread, I'll right click and just choose paste, and the image should appear there. Now you'll notice that this image is very large, so we may want to adjust the size of this limit, and this is where, or sorry, adjust the size of this image, and this is where having Firefox, the latest version of Firefox, pays off. A lot of other versions won't do this for you, but if I actually click on the image, I'm going to see these little bars, or these little boxes appear. So I'll scroll all the way up to the top, and I'm going to put my cursor on the box until it turns into an arrow, or a double arrow. Now I can click and drag and resize that image to fit the screener, or fit the way, the size that I want it to be. So let's go, I'll shrink it down a little bit more, and now I'm going to post a little reason why I chose this picture. So I feel like I am new at this, and I need, and I need someone to come along and help me on this path. There we go. And then all I'm going to do is come down here at the bottom and click on submit. And that has been added to this discussion forum. Once it finishes loading, oh, it's still loading. Once that's finished, everyone's posts who posts here is going to show up, and you're going to see everybody's top level post. So what I want you to do is come back, a day or two later, and there should be several other posts in there. And all you'll do is you'll just click on that post to read it, and you'll be able to read that person's post. You'll be able to see their picture. There it is. You'll be able to see their post, you'll be able to see their picture, and then all you'll need to do is just click on reply and give your comments to that post. Alright, well, that's a quick introduction of what you need to do this week in our course. So I hope to hear from you, and I am looking forward to working with all of you in this course. Thanks.